4 years after her daughter was found dead of a bullet wound, a local mom is still pleading for answers. 24-year-old Natasha Boykin's body was discovered in her boyfriend's Jacksonville Beach home back in 2009. Multiple agencies have investigated and tell us they believe she committed suicide. But her mother says her daughter was killed by someone, and now she's calling on police to reopen the investigation. Channel 4 investigator Vic Micolucci talked with the young woman's mother and with detectives. Vic?
Tom, right now this case isn't closed, but it's suspended. However, this young woman's mother says she won't stop until her daughter's death is solved. She says, quite simply, this is a murder case that police have dropped the ball on.
She was a kind-hearted person, very, very spiritual, very loving.
Angel King says her daughter's smile said it all about what kind of person she was. But now it's just a memory, and this St. Johns County mother is seeking justice. Natasha Boykin was found dead, shot in the chest in 2009 in her boyfriend's Jacksonville Beach home. Law enforcement investigators conclude the 24-year-old committed suicide, but Boykin's family has never believed that.
There was definitely a struggle. There definitely was a fight.
Over the years, Boykin's mother has hired multiple experts to look at the case. Their reports cite inconsistencies, things like unexplained bruises and cuts on her body, apparent gunshot residue on her boyfriend, money missing from her wallet, and evidence her body had been moved. And recently, one private investigator concluded, "It is my strong and qualified opinion that there are too many unanswered questions to have ruled this death a suicide." Police have never called Boykin's boyfriend a suspect, but do say he's the one who found her body and he's the one who owned the gun used in the shooting. But all along, they've told us Boykin's death was a suicide. Jacksonville Beach Police gave us a statement saying, "We have thoroughly investigated this case in conjunction with the State Attorney's Office, the Florida Department of Law Enforcement, the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office, and the Duval County Medical Examiner's Office, and have all come to the same conclusion that suicide was the cause of Miss Boykin's death." The State Attorney's Office tells us the same thing. Though this death was a tragedy, it's not criminal. Despite what investigators say, Boykin's mother says she knows in her heart that they're wrong.
Justice for Natasha. I expect her death certificate to be changed to what it should be. Not suicide.
Boykin's mother says she's not going to give up, and now she's trying to get Governor Rick Scott involved. She also says she wants to help other families in her same situation. So she and her husband recently founded a charity called Truth Seekers for Justice, which pushes police to reopen cases involving suspicious deaths. Tom?
Vic, has Angel King ever been able to sit down and talk face-to-face with investigators?
She's talked with a lot of investigators. She actually got to sit down with State Attorney Angela Corey. Angela Corey's office says for several different hours she spoke with those at the Jacksonville Beach Police Department, detectives there, those with the FDLE, but still, they have never come to an agreement on this woman's cause of death.
They continue to say that they believe it was suicide.
And she believes it's murder.
Thank you, Vic, very much.